Okay, so my handle broke on my blower here, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. First we gotta remove this whole plate. There's 3 bolts holding it on. You gotta take the rope out of here, handle, and replace it with the new. You also got to pull the spring around, pull it through the hole. We're going to cut it off and burn the tip. Kind of want to shape it a little bit so it's pointy, so it's easier to thread. Thread it through, tie it in a knot. Make sure the knot's nice and tight. And we're ready to go. Now we can put it back on, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so if your rope is broken a couple times and it's too short, you are going to need to replace it. To do that, pull out the rope all the way. Take a screwdriver, push it through both slots to prevent it from accidentally retracting. Now you can see the rope goes through this hole initially, then it goes through another hole in the inside pulley. Pull that out, cut the knot off, the old rope, pull that rope through, then feed your new rope in the same way that the old rope was, then tie a knot on the end, pull it back down tight, take out your screwdriver, and then let it retract very slowly. And that's it. That's how you replace a pull rope on pretty much any small engine. They're all the same. Okay, so now we put it back on. And that's it. Okay, so now let's give it a test pull. It works just like it should. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe. Thanks.